Welcome back, everyone. A couple weeks ago I had a friend ask me if I put out minerals for my deer, and my answer was yes. And he asked me, did I just get the mineral blocks from Tractor Supply, Walmart, Cabela's, wherever? And I told him no, I actually mixed my own. So he asked me for my recipe, and it got me thinking maybe I should do a video on it for everyone else. So I thought I would do it, and here we go. This is how I mix up my minerals for feeding the deer here on the property. So first you need some kind of bucket. I have a little 3-gallon, it's a glazed donut bucket that I got from, gosh, I don't know where. My Redneck measuring cup. You need some mixing salt, some general purpose mineral from Tractor Supply, and I like to mix cracked corn with mine. And then my secret ingredient, some people use Kool-Aid. I've never tried Kool-Aid. I've always had a bunch of this corn coat sitting around. It's the Khmer Deer FX 500 formula, and it coats says 300 pounds of corn. I go through a couple of these a year, and I mix that in as my attractant. So here, let's talk about the recipe. I mix 2 parts salt, 1 part mineral, and 1 part cracked corn. Then same thing over again. 2 parts salt, 1 part mineral, 1 part cracked corn, and 1 more time. 2 parts salt, 1 part mineral, 1 part cracked corn. Get rid of my Redneck measuring cup. Then I just take this powder corn coat, shake a fair amount in there, just kind of cover the top of the last scoop of corn you put in. It's kind of messy. It smells really good though. Then I'll put the lid on. Give it a really good shake. And see how well it's mixed up. Not mixed up as good as I wanted it. So I'll take me a little stick here. Oops. We'll go a little bit, get a little bit more mixing. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. I'll show everybody what it looks like when it's mixed up. So here, let's get a good close up of it. All mixed up. You see the corn, the salt, the minerals. And my friend also asked me, when do I start putting out my minerals and for how long? And my answer is I start here in North Carolina, usually the end of March I start putting it out, and they'll go through one of these buckets and about every 2 weeks. Then end of September, early October, they stop hitting it as hard, and I only usually go through one of these buckets a month. Then at the end of the season, January, February, and most of March, I don't put anything out. So hopefully, this video helps you. If it did, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I'm always looking for ideas as well. So in the comment section, give me some ideas of what you would like to see. Thanks again.